Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful and powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful weight loss powder that's going to help to shrink that sagging belly fat in 2 weeks. You're going to see some results within 2 weeks of drinking this drink, okay? And it's so easy to make. What I'm going to do is make the powder form and then show you how to use it. So what you're going to need is some turmeric powder. Turmeric has certain anti-inflammatory properties that will help reduce the inflammation in the body, which is a factor causing obesity. This spice has an active ingredient called curcumin, which is a positive influence on weight loss. You're also going to need some cardamom seed. Ajuan seed, which is also known as carom seed, helps in nutrient absorption and improved digestion. This ultimately leads to less fat storage, which further leads to weight loss. When food is not well digested, it can lead up to buildup waste and toxins. This can slow down your metabolism and make it difficult for you to burn calories. We're also going to be using some ground flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in protein, so when you consume a tablespoon of flaxseed along with dietary fiber, the protein content suppresses your appetite. This prevents you from overeating, which is also helpful with you losing weight. Flax seeds are also very low in calories, as well as some cumin powder. Cumin can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. When you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism, you will automatically start losing weight. I'm also going to be using some black pepper. Black pepper is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, minerals, healthy fatty acids, and works as a natural metabolic booster, which enhances your metabolic performance and prevents fat accumulation in the body. The spice also increases the concentration of good cholesterol. This round spice is also a thermogenic food, which helps to speed up the metabolic process and burns calories more quickly, as well as some fennel powder. The fennel powder is going to reduce fat storage by improving vitamin and mineral absorption in the body. This also helps remove toxins from the body, which in turn helps with weight loss. Some ginger powder. Ginger also decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. And some ground cinnamon. Cinnamon helps you to lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties of cinnamon makes it one of the healthiest spices of all time. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, boost insulin function, and metabolism as well. Now, you're also going to need a bowl and some measuring spoons. So, without further ado, let's whip this up. Now, the first ingredient we're going to add is our Ajuan seeds. Now, being that I didn't have the powder, I made powder. So I just put it in a blender and I grinded it up. So for the Ajuan seeds, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of Ajuan powder. Next is turmeric. Now for the turmeric powder, we're going to be needing 4 tablespoons. Okay, for the turmeric powder, we're going to be using 4 tablespoons of our turmeric. Okay, next is the cumin powder. Now for the cumin powder, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to be using the ground flax seeds. Now for the ground flax seeds, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon. And you can actually add in a little bit more if you want. I love me some flax seeds. Now for the cinnamon powder. For cinnamon, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add in my black pepper. I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next is ginger. Okay, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. And last, I'm going to be using my matcha powder. Now, if you don't have matcha powder, you can use loose green tea leaves. If you used it in the bags, you can use 5 green tea bags. If you have the loose green tea leaves, you can grind those up and then add that into your mixture. But I would actually put in 5 teaspoons of my loose green tea leaves, grounded up, or 5 teaspoons of my green matcha powder. Last, I want to add in 1 teaspoon of my fennel powder. So now you get your lid to your container, you pop that on, and shake it up really good to mix the concoction together. Just a little flick of the wrist. Now that our weight loss powder is ready, I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so what you're going to need now is a cup, and you're going to pour hot boiling water inside. Then you're going to take your powder and you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon in your cup of hot boiling water. And what you can do after that is, if you desire to sweeten it, you can add your favorite sweetener, whether it's honey, stevia. If you want to add some lemon juice in this, you can add your lemon juice. A nice little squirt of lemon juice would be good. And if you want to even take it to another level, you can add a tablespoon of your Bragg's apple cider vinegar inside your cup. But this is a wonderful weight loss supplement that's going to take your weight loss to another level. It's going to fill your body with so many minerals, vitamins, antioxidants. I mean, this is powerful. This is what's going to burn and melt that fat off of your body. This is also going to help you with that sagging belly fat. So you're going to see how your belly and your stomach is going to form and shape itself after drinking this tea over 2 weeks. You're going to notice a big difference in your appearance. It's going to be less protruding. It's going to be more slimming. It's going to shrink. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful weight loss video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check down below for wonderful links that you can find these herbs that I'll have listed down below. Also, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. Alright? And also check out down below for the links for my new eBay store, which is where you'll be able to find the herbs, some of these wonderful items, okay? So you guys, I want to thank you for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family also on a weight loss journey. And you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you. And I will see you again in another video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.